Ever wondered how to achieve anything you desire in life? The key lies within your subconscious mind. In this video, I share powerful insights, actionable advice, and transformative lessons on how to tap into your subconscious to unlock your full potential. By mastering your mind, you can reshape your reality and achieve what once seemed impossible. Join me on this journey of self-reflection, mindfulness, and personal growth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more life-changing lessons. Let's unlock your future together. What's your biggest goal? Share it in the comments below. There's a power within you right now, a power that can shape your reality, change your life, and help you achieve anything you set your heart and mind to. This power is your subconscious mind, and for many people, it's like a locked treasure chest. Today, I'm going to give you the keys. But before we dive in, I want you to ask yourself, what do you truly want to achieve? What's that one goal, that dream, that vision? Hold on to that thought as we explore how to unlock the limitless power of your mind. Let's start here. What is the subconscious mind? Imagine your mind as an iceberg. The conscious mind, your everyday thoughts, decisions, and logic, is just the tip of the iceberg. Below the surface lies your subconscious mind, holding your beliefs, emotions, memories, and habits. This is where true transformation happens. The subconscious is powerful. It doesn't distinguish between what's real and imagined. It simply responds to the thoughts, images, and emotions you feed it. This is why visualizing success, affirming positive beliefs, and training your subconscious can change your life. Years ago, I learned this lesson firsthand. There was a time I felt stuck, unable to move toward my goals. Then I realized I was feeding my subconscious negative beliefs. I can't do it. I'm not good enough. This isn't for me. The moment I began to change those thoughts, to tell my mind a new story, my reality started to shift, and it will for you too. So how do you reprogram your subconscious mind? Here are 3 powerful techniques you can start using today. 1. Visualization. Close your eyes and see yourself achieving your goals. Imagine every detail. Where are you? How does it feel? What does success look like for you? When you visualize vividly and consistently, your subconscious starts believing it's possible. Remember, the mind doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. 2. Affirmations. Words have power. Replace negative self-talk with empowering affirmations. I am capable. I am worthy. I attract success. Repeat them daily, morning and night. Say them out loud, write them down, believe them. Over time, your subconscious accepts these as truths. 3. Mindfulness and meditation. Meditation allows you to quiet your conscious mind and connect with your subconscious. Sit in stillness, breathe deeply, and let go of any limiting beliefs. Use this time to reflect on your goals and feed your mind positivity. Start small. Spend 5 minutes a day visualizing, affirming, or meditating. Consistency is key. The more you practice, the more you rewire your subconscious mind for success. Let me share a story that changed my life. There was a man who grew up believing he wasn't smart enough to succeed. His subconscious mind held on to those beliefs because that's what he heard as a child. For years he struggled, always holding himself back. But one day he decided to rewrite the story. He visualized himself succeeding every single morning. He replaced his negative thoughts with affirmations. I am capable. I am smart enough. I can achieve anything. Slowly but surely, his life began to change. Today, that man is me, and I promise you, if I can do it, so can you. You have the power to rewrite your story. It all starts with your mind. Your subconscious mind is like a garden. The thoughts you plant will grow into your reality. So choose carefully. Plant seeds of positivity, belief, and determination. Visualize your dreams, speak life into your goals, and take small steps every day. I want you to take a moment today. Sit quietly, close your eyes, and see yourself living your dream. Feel it, believe it, then take action toward it. Your mind is the most powerful tool you have. Use it wisely. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more life-changing lessons. And now tell me, what's your biggest dream? Share it in the comments below. and let's inspire each other to achieve the impossible.